A few months ago, an email popped into my inbox, and the three little words jumped out like cannon fire. Big scale, museum quality, USS Constitution. I had never even heard of the company behind it, something called Agora models. So of course, I did what anyone would do. I googled them. And what I discovered, they have this,
My name is Optimus Prime.
this, and this. Their catalog is basically a wish list of every modeler's dream. Massive, detailed, jaw-dropping builds. So naturally, you already know what I said back. Fast forward a few months, and here we are. I have got the first 3 packs of their USS Constitution kit sitting right in front of me. What I have got here is the standard 12-month subscription. So basically, 1 pack shows up each month until the whole ship is done. Now let's pick inside of these boxes. The laser-cut wooden parts come neatly packed and well protected. And the cuts themselves are super clean and precise. The first 3 packs give you most of what you need to build the keel and the frames. And here's the cool part. The hull frames are solid white oak, just like on the real USS Constitution. The keel pieces are mahogany, which not only looks beautiful with that rich grain, but also holds up really well over time without shrinking or warping. They have even included a high-quality engineered wood for the building jig, which should make its assembly a whole lot smoother. Agora also offers 2 other ways to get this kit. There is the 24-month option, where you stretch it out with the smaller packs. Perfect if you like to take it easy, or if you have already got a couple builds going on at the same time. And then there is the all-in express option, where you pay once and get everything shipped at once. That one's for builders who just want to dive in and stay laser focused on a single project. So the full kit comes in at about $1,600 US. Yeah, that's definitely on the high side. But when you think about the size, the detail, and the fact that this is the only wooden Admiralty style USS Constitution kit out there, it actually feels like a solid deal. And if you are not familiar with the Admiralty style models, basically it's where parts of the hull are left unplanked, so you can see all the inner framework, the decks, and the construction details. It's like looking straight into the ship's skeleton, just like the naval design models used back in the day. When it's finished, this big-scale Constitution is going to be a beast, about 1.2 meters long, 41 centimeters wide, and 93 centimeters tall. In other words, it's not just a model, it's a centerpiece. Definitely the kind of thing you'd want to show off in a living room or office. But fair warning, this one isn't for beginners. If you have built a couple wooden ship kits already, and you're itching for a serious challenge with old Ironsides, this is the project for you. And before I wrap up, one quick tip. If you are going after absolute historical accuracy, grab a copy of Anatomy of the Ship, the 44-gun frigate USS Constitution by Carl Hans Marquardt. It is basically the Bible for Constitution details, showing how the ship's look has changed through the years. Alright, that's it for the first 3 packs of the 1:76 scale USS Constitution from Agora models. Now I better roll up my sleeves and start building, because I'm already behind schedule. Well, stay tuned and
I'll be back.